Hey y'all, so that was supposed to have been a haul, so now this is the haul. See how far away I am? I did that on purpose so that y'all could see the big box that I'm going to bring up. But I did get my makeup done. I'm very, very hot today. And my nose, if I keep doing that, I'm so sorry, but my nose has got like the fuzz going on. And I'm just feeling like it's bothering me. How y'all doing? It freaks me out sometimes when they have a little picture on the inside. I'm like, is that a bug that got into my drink? Okay. Let's get straight to the big one first. Okay, first one. Yes, it is a real Christian Louboutin. Louboutin? I used to say Louboutini, and I was absolutely certain that was the name of it. This box shocks me. It looks like not parchment paper, grocery bag material. What do you call it? With a real pretty signature on it. I'm not impressed. It's natural looking. If that's what you're going for with a bag that's expensive. And I guess it is, because when you get inside, it's red and that same color. So maybe that is the look they're going for. Or maybe it's just this year. I don't know. This is my first one, so I don't know. Again, this has got kind of a burlappy cotton look about it. Really? Like literally looks like canvas. I think it is canvas. That's kind of surprising considering this is a very expensive purse. And here it is. Okay. So I'm going to put it by my face so you can see the size, and I'm automatically kind of going, oh my gosh, this is much smaller than I thought it would be. Like maybe too small. So what could you put in here? Well, certainly your cell phone. It's deeper than it is wide, which isn't my favorite. Much deeper. So you'll have to dig. And it's got a zipper. And it's got this little symbol right here, just like the red sole or outer sole of a shoe. And it's got the little gold feet. It's got a really pretty, beautiful color pattern. This is material, not leather. And on the sides, it's got their signature studs that's on a lot of their shoes, which I do like that. Hold on. Is that plastic or metal? It's metal. Just making sure. And the red background just kind of really makes it pop. So you can, when you're wearing it out, first of all, can you wear it over your arm? Or do you have to be a size 0? Okay, that's how that fits in there and closes it like that. And I can barely get that over, but I could. That's how little it is. Really little. Y'all, I'm thinking for the money, it's just too small. I actually liked that side better. You know? It's pretty. I love this detailing. That's what I love. There was one that was a little bigger and a little, but I love the detailing being on the sides. Now, could I use this a lot? Sure. Could I fit a lot in it? Where is my cell phone? What even happened to my cell phone is my question. Yes, and you could probably fit a number of other things in here. A little makeup pouch. The zipper that's inside, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, is not even big enough for a credit card, just about. And you'd really, because it's so tight, I don't know how you'd get much down in there. So I wouldn't even worry about zipping it. But the zipper pull's cute because, like I said, it's the same thing as this. It's one of these. It's very subtle. The leather's beautiful. It smells good. I'm just not sure for this size it's worth the kind of money I paid for it. Can you see? It's kind of sparkly. I kind of expected it to be maybe this wider. This much wider. And since it's so stiff, yeah, I guess you could fit more in it. You could. Did this not come with a strap? Oh, it does have a strap. Oh, but it's gold. Okay, so the strap is gold. So this is like for evening wear only, really. I guess you could flip it around to the other side. It's red. Oh, no, you couldn't. So you could wear this. Where's the hooks? Like that. So it's going to be right literally under your elbow. Y'all, I'm thinking this little baby may have to go back. I really do. I'm not really happy with it. It's beautiful. It really is pretty. I think I like this silhouette. I like the black with the subtle iconic emblem. I like that it has feet, and I like the sides being so overly studded with the red background. This is kind of a nice too. Yeah, that makes it a unique piece. It also limits it on what you can wear it with, but it makes it a very unique piece. Very. I think what I don't like is just so stinking small. If I put this right beside my face, it's the side of my head. I wish it was wider and not as deep. Or it could be this deep, but it needs to be a little wider. And while these sides can come out, it's a structured bag. They're not meant to come out. So I'm thinking no. What do y'all think? Comment below. Is it worth it? Y'all know what Christian Louboutin purses go for. So, and this piece is really unusual. This piece that's coming up right here, this gold strap, and it does have the, again, the iconic emblem on it, the red sole, like the bottom of the shoe, that makes these, people say it's subtle. It's not. The red on the bottom of Christian Louboutin shoes is not subtle. That's what makes them, is to see the foot kick out and see that red sole underneath. People even probably copied it. But this doesn't even go down there. It's supposed to be a connecting piece. It doesn't really go down there that good. And that's what's kind of supposed to, can y'all see? Keep it closed as it goes down in there. And then to bring it back out, you just pull that little thing. And then it sticks straight up. Or either maybe you can, yeah, then what? What do you do with it? I feel like there's some design flaws about this bag, y'all. And while it's cute, okay, so when it goes back down in there, it does go back down in there. And then the little shoe shows up. And so does the little pole. I'm just thinking I'd almost rather pay a little more and get more purse. I don't feel like I got enough purse. If this is even 2 inches bigger, I think I would have gone for it. 1 inch bigger on either side. It's just so narrow and deep. I like it a little wider. Now, I wouldn't put my organizer in here, but, and like I said, there's probably plenty that can fit in here. But, again, this is a specialty piece bag. This isn't an everyday bag. So, you know, I don't know. Do you invest more in the specialty pieces and then they're a bigger investment? Or do you invest more in the everyday, but you're going to wear them down, so your investment's going to, if you wear something every day, you're going to wear it out. And so the investment value goes down because it's not going to be in the shape it was, or even close to the shape it was if you want to resell it. Again, I'm underwhelmed with the canvas. Even though it's a nice canvas bag, it just doesn't strike me as anything that unique, except that for the price of a Christian Louboutin, really, I'm just kind of surprised. Really kind of surprised. And like I said, same thing with the box. Even the way it lays in there. I like the red. You know, that's their signature, is this red that's on the bottom of their shoes. So maybe that's why, because the nude pump, well, it's really the black pump. I think it's even called the Vamp, or what's it called? Can't remember. But I mean, it's a stiletto sexy pump, and it's meant to be a beautiful striation of, I shouldn't say striation. It's meant to cause your leg to flex the calf muscles and be very, very pretty and sexy. They're very high heels. And I don't know. I don't think I'm sold on this. And you know, when you make an investment, you really should be sold. Oh, where's the price? This is called, by the way, the Paloma Small Tissu. Tissu. And it's a multicolor, so it doesn't even have a color. No size. The price is not on here, so it's just the packing slip. Normally these are around between $2,000 and $3,000, so that's why they're investment piece. I also noticed the box. Even though it's got the imprint all over the lid, I don't know if you can see that little print in there. This just, and I didn't do any stress to this, so I'm kind of surprised at the, I mean, it's nicely imprinted, and it's got nice, it's a nice box. I'm just underwhelmed. Yeah, I think I'm going to return it, y'all. Okay, so thanks for going through that with me. The last time I did that, it was with my Givenchy Antigonia in beige, and I was like, I don't know if I like this color now. It's one of my favorite bags. The other thing that I got at Talbots, y'all, these are just like my favorite shirts. It's their t-shirts. They are so soft, and you can wear them underneath a jacket, or you can just wear them around the house. They're kind of expensive for that, but they really do hold up. I got the blue, and I got the pink. It's got this little scalloped collar, and it's the boat collar, so which I don't typically love, but you know. So there's one of the colors on me, so I'd have to wear my strawberry lipstick with that. And then here is the other. And these are winter colors, and I'm a winter person. So there is the red, white, and blue. Just kidding. But that's what I actually went into Talbots for. I looked at so much else, and then I ended up walking out just with that, because that is what I love having is their t-shirts. And then I'm going to let this go into video number 2 and show you what I got from Chico's. And while I'm waiting for it to flip over to the next video, I'm going to take a little sip of my coffee. Delicious. Yum.